In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ClickUp form. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start, how to pick the right base to build from, and how to tailor your form so it collects the information you actually need. First, open your ClickUp account. If you're already set up, just sign in and head to your workspace. If you're brand new, create an account and follow the quick onboarding so you land on your main dashboard. Once you're in, think about where you want your form to live. Forms turn submissions into tasks, so choose the space that holds the work your form will feed, like a support, marketing, or operations space. Next, go to that specific space and click the plus icon to add something new. You'll typically see this near your views area. From the options that appear, choose to add a form. Picking the right spot matters because it determines where the resulting tasks and data will go by default, keeping your workflow organized from the start. Now select Form as your view type. ClickUp will open the form builder. This is your control center for structure, layout, and behavior. If your interface shows multiple view types, just make sure Form is highlighted so you're editing the correct one. You'll be prompted to select a template. Templates give you a head start with common fields and layouts, whether you're gathering requests, leads, bug reports, or internal tickets. Choose the template that's closest to your goal. Don't worry about getting it perfect right now. The template is just a foundation that you'll refine in the next step. Once you've picked a template, feel free to customize your form. Rename the form to match its purpose, then adjust fields to fit your process. Drag fields to reorder them, edit labels for clarity, and mark only the truly essential fields as required to keep completion fast. Add helpful descriptions or placeholder text so people know exactly what to enter. If you need structured answers, use drop-downs or multi-select options. If you're expecting details, include long text fields. For cleaner data, map fields to task properties like assignee, priority, due date, and tags, and set the destination list so every submission becomes a neatly organized task in the right place. Consider adding a brief introduction at the top to set expectations. And, if available on your plan, apply simple branding like colors or a logo for a professional look. As you fine-tune, glance at the live preview to ensure spacing and wording feel friendly and clear. That's it. You've created your ClickUp form and tailored it to your workflow. You can revisit the builder anytime to refine fields as your needs evolve.